Guys, behind me is a massive solar power plant, a secret facility that will one day change the future of electricity, right here in the University of Abuja. And throughout this video, I'm going to be walking you through the process and also providing the answer to every single question you have ever thought of, starting from why we tend to have constant light during the day and not night. Why do places like the chemistry lab, senior building and also library tend to enjoy 24 hours constant electricity, while the rest places like hostels suffers fluctuating light? The reason why nothing can be hidden under this facility, even your greatest secret.
When someone starts using hot plates,
in 3, 2, 1. Wait, was something supposed to happen?
Go off the light. Go off the
Well, welcome to University of Abuja Solar Farm. A facility over 98% of students in the University of Abuja does not know much about, but you should. It took me almost forever locating this place. This facility is just few kilometers away, about a 20-minute walk from the Faculty of Agriculture, with a very rich initiative to go green. Guys, check this out. 100% electric bus. You know what that means? No more burning of fuels. For the past 3 decades, the University of Abuja has been depending on both the ADC and diesel generator to generate electricity. But diesel has always been expensive and the ADC has been unreliable and frustrating.
But here's the thing, the University of Abuja knows that source of energy doesn't last forever. You know what lasts forever? The sun and the wind.
That's why the University of Abuja teamed up with M1 from the REA to build this University of Abuja Solar Microgrid.
Check this out. There are over 7,000 solar panels in this facility, the biggest solar farm I've ever seen.
Over 7,000 solar panels powers every single building in the University of Abuja with 100% clean energy.
There was an agreement
between the school and the AEDs that, look, during the day we don't need your lights. So even right now, if you go to the power house, even if there is AEDs, we off it. The school doesn't need AEDs during the day. But at night, from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m., that's when the school need AEDs. So during the day now, the solar is capable of generating 3 megawatts and the school load is 1.5. So you see, you still have excess.
These panels generate constant electricity directly from the sun to the entire school during the day, starting from 6 a.m. in the morning until 6 p.m. in the evening once the sun goes out. And during the day, it stores power from the panel to this massive battery so it can supply electricity at night without the sun.
But if we have this much mega batteries to supply electricity at night, then why do we keep having fluctuating light at night? Couldn't it just stay constant? Well, it's not that easy.
You see, these batteries are capable of storing nothing more than 2.03 megawatt hour, which is not capable of powering the whole school at night. So instead, it just powers the critical buildings like the Senate building, chemistry lab, library, and also street light. Then the ADC supplies electricity to the remaining part of the school like the hostels at night. But the AEDC is not reliable, which explains why most buildings in the school, like the hostels, tend to suffer fluctuating or no electricity at night, while the rest places, powered by the battery, enjoy constant light at night. Most time when the AEDC fail throughout the night, these two massive standby diesel generator pick up to generate electricity at early hours in the morning so students can get water for domestic use before sunrise.
They are running away from it because of the noise. No, it's very functional. It's fully operational.
Even every day we use it.
It's fully operational. In the night.
The night or early morning.
So
the first solar will come.
Yes.
Yeah, like I have water to power.
To keep this running, there's always someone in the control room 24/7, 365. Guys, they're about to turn off the light in the staff quarter, so I got a friend over the phone in the staff quarter for this experiment. Abi, are you ready? Before we continue with the rest of the video, let's take a moment to talk about our today's sponsor, Uniabuja Lens TV. Uniabuja Lens TV is a student journalism platform dedicated to sharing the latest campus updates, gist, and also news across the University of Abuja community. I am personally part of this amazing team and also the founder of this platform. Our goal is to build the most reliable and fastest news source in the University of Abuja. Currently, we have over 2,500 members combined across all our platforms, and we are still growing. If you are interested in joining this great community and growing with us, feel free to do so. I will leave the link and other necessary information in the description box below, so do well to check it out. Also, if you are a student or a business owner and you love to sponsor an ad on any of our platforms, you can reach out to me through the email in my bio. Abi, are you ready? Yeah, I think it's ready. In 3, 2, 1. Wait, was something supposed to happen?
Who of the light? Who of the
Now they don't have light because we disconnected the breaker. People there that are watching films.
One amazing thing about this facility is that there's nothing hidden under this facility because everything is being monitored 24/7, and even your greatest secret.
Fiber panel, this is fiber cable patch panel. They are all connected, you can see cables, they are all labeled. Coming from there, you can see figure 3 start quarters degree. I can see the figure 3, whatever you guys are consuming. Someone starts using hot plates. I know. Yes, I can see it.
I'm so glad we were given the opportunity to see how things work here. We also got the opportunity to install a panel by ourselves. Thank you, Emon, for this wonderful opportunity.
In few years' time, the University of Abuja plans to power 100% of the campus with 100% renewable energy like this. And this year, they are launching a solar recharging station for electric vehicles right here in the Faculty of Engineering. Imagine the first university in the Federal Capital Territory of Nigeria is now going green. What does that tell you? This is the future.
Lights, camera, action!
Hey guys, Hey guys, I just want to say a big thank you if you watched it. Thank you for Hey guys, it's OJ here, and I just want to say a big thank you for watching. You made it this far to the ending of this video. And if you really like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and also comment the word local, just so I know you made it this far to the ending of the video. I know I've been trying so hard to stay consistent with my adventure away series, but you know, this is a new month, and new month, new revolution. Let's see what I can do this month. I'll try my best to stay consistent in making more videos for you guys. So until then, if you really enjoy my content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. As usual, more adventure await this month. See you in my next video. Bye.